Hey guys, check this out. Looking at the market here, Bitcoin sitting at $23,853.10. There's been a lot of people saying that that was the bottom and that we're over. I don't think so. But real quick, wanted to highlight what's going on in the industry as a whole. Crypto lending platform Hodlnaut suspends services due to liquidity crisis. So right now, it looks like Hodlnaut is not allowing people to withdraw. Not a lot of people to pretty much get a hold of their funds, and they're saying that blaming market conditions and lack of liquidity is really what they're pointing to. So the Singapore-based crypto lending platform has become the latest firm to suspend withdrawals and deposits. The crypto lending firm made an official announcement on Monday claiming that market conditions has forced it to suspend its services, that it is actively working on recovery plans. So that is huge news. Another one, and I think what we're finding out is, thankfully here at Clockwise Crypto, we've never really experienced, dealing with lending platforms because, we didn't take any, collateralized loans, but the interest rates that they were giving for people that want to stake with them, 3-4%, for us, it didn't make sense because we feel like we can make 3 to 4% just by managing our own tokens, managing our own portfolio. So the gains that were, promoted to us or explained to us really just didn't make sense. And, we've dodged a bullet in that regard. But looking here at Hodlnaut and what they're saying, it's really just a bloodbath when it comes to lending platforms. Now, I'm not going to put a blanket statement in saying all lending platforms are bad, all staking lending platforms are bad. For me, I just don't really understand sacrificing your ownership, which is really one of the pivotal points of crypto. Ownership, giving the power back to the people, having us being able to manage our money, send money, borderless payments, be able to send money globally to anybody, for fractions of the cost without having to, pretty much almost answer all these questions on why, how, who, when. With crypto, you can send it instantly. People, we can send funds to Australia instantly. They can receive it within a matter of minutes using crypto. So for me, in sacrificing that freedom and giving our crypto to someone else, it just doesn't make sense to me. And we're seeing how this falls out and how this plays out. I definitely think that I don't think crypto lending is dead. I think there are going to be some people that are really going to be able to bridge the gap between the trust between us crypto holders and the lending platform. Because right now, they were denying buying UST, and it's come to find out that they did buy UST, and when UST collapsed, they collapsed with it. So has to be some trust there, and maybe some blockchain technology to kind of bridge the trust again. Because right now it's not really looking like a good situation. Looking at Bitcoin, sitting here at Bitcoin, people are saying, that was the bottom. We don't think so, guys. We're still holding the same sentiment. This is a key level right here. I'd like to see what we do at this level. Are we going to break 25,000? I think that's going to be interesting to see. I definitely think a final touch to this trend line on the bottom, and we'll make this a certain color for you guys to see. This trend line on the bottom here, let's make it red because I definitely think it's critical. This trend line, what we do at this trend line at this level will dictate everything. Are we going to bounce or we're going to break? So I'm waiting on us to come down and see. I still think, you look at this bearish divergence. I still believe that this is bearish divergence here on the bottom. You see on the stochastic. So that's what we're looking like in the market. It's not some exciting news. Crypto fear greed, that indicator still is at 30. So people are getting a little more optimistic. I definitely think the bottom is likely to fall out though. I think it's coming. Just based on everything that's going on, I do think it's coming. So guys, hope you got some value out of this video. Keep looking at the markets. Use this as opportunities to accumulate. Dollar cost average is the most effective way to accumulate crypto long term. And keep moving forward, guys, in everything that you do. And we'll see you soon.